Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the CoinStats website or crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for CoinStats. Now in order to log into your existing account, you will find the login button at the top right corner right from the homepage, so go ahead and click on it. Once you tap on the login button, this will open up the login portal. Now simply type in your email address or your username within the email section, and then underneath the password box, you can go ahead and type in your account password. After typing in your password, go ahead and click on the login button and you will successfully be logged in to your CoinStats account. You can also continue with your Coinbase, your MetaMask or various different wallets to sign into your existing account if you have linked your wallet with CoinStats. Or you can also use your Facebook, Apple, Google, Twitter or Coinbase account to continue logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.